So here's a bunch of problems. All they're going to ask you to do is to describe whether or not you think the substance is soluble or insoluble, conduction or not conductive. And again, we're going to go with the traditional rule here, which is that if it's got a +1 or a -1 in it, it's probably a weak crystal. It's easily ripped apart by the water, and so therefore it's a soluble, clear solution that will conduct electricity. So all we have to do is look at the charges within the compound. Now this is ammonium and sulfate. So if that's the case, then that means that your formulas here are ammonium, which is a +1, which is why there are two of them, and then the sulfate, which is a -2. So does this guy have a +1 and or a -1? Yep, sure does. Right there and right there. And so consequently, this guy is probably a weak crystal because he's got a +1. So in water, it will most likely dissolve because the water molecules will rip it apart, which means it is soluble, it will be clear, and it will conduct electricity.